Hi, I'm Celeste Kellock, and if you're interested in how forestry might influence source-to-sea carbon transport, blue carbon or iron geochemistry, then please come and listen to my presentation on Wednesday the 7th of October. It's in a special session on coastal ecosystem-based solutions, where I will explain why my research in lateral carbon transport and iron and carbon binding is vital to assessing and managing our coastal carbon storage.
Hello, my name is Sheehy, and I'm doing a PhD researching blue carbon in Orkney. Blue carbon was first introduced as a tool with which to mitigate climate change through carbon trading and ecological economics. It is, however, quite poorly defined, and this creates issues for its inclusion in policy mechanisms. These issues revolve around lack of quantifiable data and also stakeholder engagement. However, blue carbon policy now attempts a multilateral approach, incorporating the co-benefits and total economic value of these resources. By doing so, they might expand the scope of blue carbon resources, which might be more relevant to Scotland, and help to internalise the current externalities of ecosystem services into global economies.
The United Nations has declared 2021 through 2030 the decade on ecosystem restoration. With this in mind, effective, natural, ecosystem-based solutions are highly sought after to mitigate problems resulting from anthropogenic pressures and climate change as a whole. Scotland in particular has a high potential for seagrass restoration success. This study analyzes a number of key physical, biological, and social factors in order to create a habitat suitability index for those places along the Scottish coast that are most likely to achieve restoration success of the Zostera marina target species. One key to long-term success may lie in effective community education and involvement, cultivating local buy-in and enthusiasm for the project. By showing the general public how accessible both the tools and the ecosystems are, the study aims to encourage citizen scientists and project developers to investigate how their own restoration goals might be best achieved.
This is the abstract for integrating blue, challenges and solutions in including blue carbon, internationally determined contributions. This talk will explore the challenges and some of the potential solutions in including blue carbon ecosystems in nationally determined contributions. We will describe some of the mechanisms for how local community projects may be integrated with national policies and discuss options for approaches that encourage cooperation and mutual support between local and national levels. In addition, we will describe the use of the voluntary carbon market through Article 6 of the Paris Agreement and how this might expand in the future. Thank you for listening and see you at the conference.